Hi, my name is Mrs. Porter. I teach at Washington Elementary School, and I'm glad to have you with me today. Today we're going to be reading a story called Roosters Off to See the World. And what we're going to be doing as we read this is figuring out how many animals were in the story. So in your workbook, you're going to turn to page 127. It looks like this. How many in all? Page 127, as I said. I'm going to read and talk through it, and then you'll have a chance to solve the problem in your book, okay? So let's start the story. Roosters Off to See the World by Eric Carle. One fine morning, a rooster decided that he wanted to travel. So right then and there, he went off to see the world. He hadn't walked very far when he began to feel lonely. Just then he met two cats. The rooster said to them, "Come along with me to see the world." The cats liked the idea of a trip very much. "We would love to," they purred, and set off down the road with the rooster. As they wandered on, the rooster and the cats met three frogs. "How would you like to come with us to see the world?" asked the rooster, eager for more company. "Why not?" answered the frogs. "We're not busy now." So the frogs jumped along behind the rooster and the cats. After a while, the rooster and the cats and the frogs saw four turtles crawling slowly down the road. "Hey," said the rooster, "how would you like to see the world?" "It might be fun," snapped one of the turtles, and they joined the others. As the rooster, the cats, the frogs, and the turtles walked along, they came to 5 fish swimming in the brook. "Where are you going?" asked the fish. "We're going off to see the world," answered the rooster. "May we come along?" pleaded the fish. "We'd love to have you," the rooster replied. And so the fish came along to see the world. Now, we're going to stop there for now, and we're going to talk about the animals that were in this story, okay? If you were here with me, we'd be having a discussion, but since you're out there and I'm here all by myself, we're going to have to kind of talk and think about what's going on. You're going to have to do some thinking while I'm talking, okay? All right, so let's talk about so far how many animals there are in this story. Did you notice what the story was doing? Started off with one rooster, and then next there were 2 cats, and then next there were 3 frogs, and then came 4 turtles, and finally we had 5 fish. You might think, oh, it's like counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's just not adding 1 every time. It's adding all of those animals in. So let's look and see if I can write here the animals that we saw in the story. And then you're going to use this information to solve the problem on page 127 in your book. Okay? All right, there was 1 rooster. There's 1 rooster. I'm going to draw this little roostery looking guy here. Okay? 1 rooster. All right. What was the next number? There were 2 what? There were 2 cats. Exactly. Not just 1 cat. 2 cats came along. Meow, meow. Okay, 2 cats. Next, there were 3 what? Ribbit. Frogs. 3 frogs. And all these animals kept joining the other groups of animals. Okay, 3 frogs. There were 4 very, very slow turtles. Okay. And finally, we had the 5 fish that pleaded to go along. Please let us go see the world, please. Right. So those were the animals that were in the story. Say it with me. There was 1 rooster, then came along 2 cats, then came along 3 frogs, then came along 4 turtles, and finally there were 5 fish. What I want you to do in your workbook on page 127 is find out how many total animals went with Rooster to see the world. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to do that. Find out how many total animals went with Rooster to see the world.